What's up guys, today let me show you how to create this simple emoji using HTML and CSS. So let me take you through the code. So I'll head over to my HTML and here's my HTML file. So first thing is we are going to create this HTML and we give a div class emoji, give it eye left, eye right, and then class mouth. Then after creating this, we head over to CSS. I'm using internal CSS here. And we shall style the emoji class. We give it position relative, width 100 pixels, height 100, background of yellow, border radius 50%, display flex, justify center, align item center, font size 40 and margin 40 pixels auto. Then after that, we shall style the eye as well. We shall give the eye position absolute, width 15%, height 15 pixels rather, and background black, and then border radius 50. Thereafter, we style the eye left and eye right, and then basically we shall just position them left and top accordingly. You can see. After that, let's give it some mouth. So the mouth will also have a position of absolute, width 50, height 25, background white, border bottom 5 pixels, solid black, border radius 0, left, top, right, bottom and left, and then that. So after that, we shall give it keyframes of 0%, opacity, transform, translate, 0, and then this. And after that, we shall have something looking like this. This is just one of our projects in practicing CSS art. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.